Namaste. Merry Christmas everyone. Welcome back to my channel. The holiday season is all about celebrating with loved ones. And today I'm sharing a soul-stopping recipe for Christmas party and appetizer tree. It's festive, fun and delicious. Let's make it together.
Slice off both the top and bottom of the pineapple to create a flat base on each side. This makes it easy to stand upright and keeps it steady while we decorate. Slice away the rough outer skin. We will start by layering orange and olive around the pineapple. These add vibrant colors and make a great foundation for our tree. For the third layer of my appetizer tree, I'm adding kiwi to bring a puff of green and a refreshing taste. Next, place a juicy strawberry. Right after the strawberry, I'm placing sweet, vibrant papaya cubes. They add a tropical touch to our appetizer tree and enhance its festive look. I'm folding raw bacon stripes and placing them after the papaya to add a bold, savory element to the tree. Cube of cheese for a savory twist. Repeat with another strawberry and an olive to keep the balance of flavors. For the final touch, add a slice of kiwi, another strawberry and top it off with a single olive. Stunning and delicious appetizer tree with a pineapple base. It is the perfect centerpiece for your holiday table and so easy to customize with your favorite ingredients.
Love exploring new cuisine and want to learn more about food? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching my video.